What's going on, guys? It's Dawes with Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube. Today I'm joined by my buddy Lawson.
What's up?
Bro, it's been a hot minute since we've done a video.
Yeah. Today, Junior?
It's been a hot minute since we've done a video together.
It's been a long time.
I'm excited. You probably don't do videos with me because I can't talk.
That's true.
So, listen, we wanted to bring you guys something a little bit different today. We understand that if you guys have been paying attention over the last couple years, there's been a ton of price increases, there's limited inventory, all that good stuff. But we wanted to let you guys know that it's still possible to get really good looking wheels for under 1,500 bucks. So that's exactly what today's video is. Lawson and I are gonna go over our top 5 picks for under 1,500 bucks. Here's the rules, right? They gotta be 20 by 12s or larger, except for one, and we'll talk about that here in just a little bit. And they gotta be under $1,500 for a set of 4, shipped right to your door. Of course, you can check all these wheels out and more, plus tires and all sorts of good stuff at customoffsets.com. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's do it.
Wheel number 1, the one and only Moto Metal Mo 970.
Yeah, it's classic.
I mean,
legend.
The Mo 970's been around for a number of years, and it just keeps coming back for more. It's fantastic. It looks good. 20 by 12 minus 44, you're under 1,500 bucks, of course. Comes in some really awesome finishes like black and milled. They've got a black and machined, I believe, with like that machined face. That's what you're into. Just a really classic wheel.
Yeah, it's been a hot hitter. I think a couple years ago, it was like the go-to. Moto Metal was on top of the world. We created reinventing the wheel. Moto Metal blew up. Just Moto Metal was on point, was the wheel to go with. Moto Metal's always been fire. It's been a solid option. I think especially the 970, it's one of those wheels that could look really good in the 20 by 12 or even in the bigger sizes in the show scene. So daily driver looks phenomenal. Show looks phenomenal and really an easy wheel to pull off. So.
Hell yeah, right on. Wheel number 2. The one and only Anthem Equalizer.
Anthem Equalizer. Okay.
It's a fire wheel, dude. 20 by 12 minus 44. Again, in this one, you're talking under 1,500 bucks. I'm probably a little bit biased on this wheel because I ran a set. I had 20 by 10s, not 20 by 12s, because, well, stock Chevy wheel well, square wheel well stuff is bullshit. But no, just a really good looking wheel. Split 7-spoke. I like them in black and milled because they mill the inside lip there just a little bit. Looks really cool. And of course, the homies over at Anthem always kill it.
Yeah, that's one of those wheels where it's not there's not gonna be a lot of massive size options. But once again, for your daily driver, want to clean it up. Obviously, you had just gotten your cat eye.
Yep.
We don't run stock around here. You wanted something on right away. We had Anthem in house. And they're like, hey, run this set. Ended up staying on your truck for a decent amount of time.
4 months, 5 months until we put the lift kit on.
Yeah, so ended up staying on for a decent amount of time and obviously looked phenomenal. And it's just one of those things that's gonna instantly clean your truck up, look really good, and really prove that you're an enthusiast and not for a lot of money, so super cool.
Yeah, under 1,500 bucks, again, it's hard to beat. All right, Lawson, so up next, we're bending the rules a little bit here, maybe even breaking them, right? We've got a 22 by 12 minus 50. We're talking about the one and only Ballistic Rage.
But for $1,500, you get 2 more inches in diameter. Why won't you do it? 2 inches.
We're not going there, right? We're just not gonna talk about that.
Wow, that was weird.
But anyway, it's a 22 by 12 minus 50, of course. Ballistic, one of the only companies that's doing that lower offset, I guess you would call it, because it's negative, right? But it's like Ballistic, Vision, Archon are all doing, minus 50, minus 51 versus normally a 12 wide is only a minus 44, so that's super cool. Gives you a little extra poke on both sides, which is nice. The Ballistic Rage, of course, been around forever. I mean, since you probably started, right?
Yeah.
Just a super good looking wheel in black and milled, of course. It comes in right under 1,500 bucks shipped right to your door.
Yeah.
Hard to beat it,
Yeah, it reminds me of the Moto Metal Mo 962, which I've always been a fan of. Reminds me of Gear Big Block.
Yeah.
Just straight spoke, looks really good. What I like about Ballistic is it actually, as it tapers into the center cap, it's almost got some concavity to it as it comes into it. Yeah, so the spokes kind of dive back a little bit, which looks really good. Like you said, to be able to get up, a couple extra millimeters on the offset, never hurt anybody. Everybody's chasing for the big lips. I don't care if you want a daily driver. Everybody wants more lip. It looks better. So just overall fire looking wheel. There's a ton of options. I think there's also a red milled one and a couple other ones.
Yeah, there's a couple of different color options and finishes out there. So it looks super good. I dig them.
Yeah.
Segway!
Ho, ho, ho! Happy holidays, everyone!
I'm not actually Santa Claus. Good news though, right now we have 12 days of holiday deals, which means that every day between now and the 12th, you can unwrap a brand new deal at customoffsets.com. The deals are all sorts of crazy stuff, but the first one is every wheel and tire package gets a gift card valued up to $200, so hurry up and check it out before this promo's over. All right, in the number 4 spot today is the Hard Rock Crusher. Now this wheel looks super good. It's got those nice little thin spokes. Yeah, it's right there. They can't see that, but we can. It's right there.
It's fire.
It's right there. It's right there. Trace, do a little.
It's fire.
Come on, do it. Do it. Do it. Do it.
Do it. Do it.
Here we go. Here we go. Don't get the.
Oh!
He did it.
Let's go. It's fire. I think I've only been able to see this on a vehicle in person once, and it was like Coda's old clap daily driver SUV, Tahoe. But I think overall it's fire. It's a super clean wheel. They're cheap. You know, you get like the simulated directional, but it's you know, crazy spoke design, diving way back. It's all gloss black, no rivets on the lip of the wheel, no milling,
right? Yeah.
Very clean, a lot of design, but also still super clean.
Yeah, and then of course hidden center cap, you know, so non-exposed lugs, so really cleans the face of the wheel up there. And yeah, just these things look wicked in motion. Now they're not a true directional wheel, right? So you all have one side digging, one side swooping, but even still those spokes, and they're on such a crazy angle that they just flip going down the road. It's awesome. They look super cool.
Yeah, they look fire. I don't think they come in massive sizes though.
No, Hard Rock doesn't do a lot of really big stuff. They were never really into that market, but still 20 by 12, under 1,500 bucks. Hard to beat that one.
Yep.
So, and of course, in the number 5 spot, we're breaking the rules again. This one isn't a 20 by 12. It's the only one that's smaller than a 20 by 12 on our list. It's gonna be a 17 by 9, and we're talking the Method MR305, aka the NV.
Yeah.
I mean, if you're looking for like an off-road build, got like a Tacoma or a Jeep or something like that.
Yeah.
I mean, the Method NV is the one, right?
There's so many options with the NV. It's unreal. Like, I mean, it can work for anything that you want it to work for. But yeah, obviously we see a lot of that in the off-road scene. For the NVs.
Or even a daily driver setup, right? So let's say you're a type of guy that's, you know, on the farm or you're on the pipeline or something. You don't want crazy lip and polished wheels and all that stuff. Like, it's really hard to beat a good-looking, you know, Method NV. You've got it in that bronze, of course. They have that. They have black. They have the red that you can only get from us, which is super cool. So it's like it's that same like satiny finished bronze, but in a red, which is super dope. So
yeah, because we have the Methods on the Tacoma.
On the Tacoma,
and it looks fire.
But yeah, they just look super good, man. I love the NV. It's a great looking wheel. Of course, a little bit smaller, but again, under 1,500 bucks. Proven performance in a wheel. You know you can take it, you know, off road if that's what you're into, and it's just gonna handle it well. So
Yep. Another fire option.
Well, there you have it, guys. There's our list of top 5 wheels under 1,500 bucks. Thank you to my boy Lawson for joining me again today. It's always good to sit on the video and chat with you a little bit.
Yeah, absolutely. If you guys want to see top tires or top suspension, whatever you guys want to see for under a certain dollar amount, drop down in the comment section below. We'd love to sit and chit chat. Spend 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Let's crank out 16 more of them. Let's go.
Hold on.
He's got nothing to do today.
Hold on.
I got a couple TikToks. We could make like at least 7 more of these.
All right.
Let us know down in the comment section below. Wheels, tires, suspension, performance, accessories, customoffsets.com. We'll see you guys in the next one.